Hello everyone, Snapdragon Summit is Qualcomm Technologies' annual flagship event, held this year in Hawaii, where the company unveils its next-generation platforms and showcases technologies that will be used in new consumer devices such as flagship PCs and cell phones. This year's event featured the Snapdragon X Elite, a PC platform that the manufacturer says outperforms its competitors and shows impressive performance results in artificial intelligence, as well as the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, which is a mobile platform that further extends artificial intelligence capabilities on devices. The company also unveiled its new Snapdragon Sound platform, which uses AI for improved noise cancellation, and Snapdragon Seamless, which allows devices from different manufacturers and OSes to work together seamlessly. Executives from partner companies attended the Snapdragon Summit to share a vision of what's in store for consumers next year, and emphasize the importance of artificial intelligence in devices. If you are interested in studying artificial intelligence, this news will not leave you indifferent. As we already know, Google is focusing on artificial intelligence features as the biggest advantage of the Tensor G3, which is why Qualcomm decided to keep up and followed Google's lead by releasing their Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. The chipset introduces the latest version of the Qualcomm AI engine and works with multimodal generative AI models, including large language models, LLMs, and language vision models. Qualcomm has made a lot of claims about its AI engine. It is being presented by the company as the fastest in Stable Diffusion, with the ability to generate images from text queries in less than a second. However, text prompts aren't the only way Qualcomm suggests using generative artificial intelligence. You can also apply voice prompts, use an existing image, and make changes to it. The engine can handle up to 10 billion parameters, processing up to 20 tokens per second in models like Meta's Llama 2, and Sensing Hub is 3.5 times faster than last year. Qualcomm Technologies announced the most powerful computing processor it has ever created for the PC, Snapdragon X Elite. This groundbreaking platform ushers in a new era of premium computing by delivering a massive leap forward with best-in-class CPU performance, leading on-device AI inferencing, and one of the most efficient processors in a PC with up to multiple days of battery life. As AI transforms how we interact with our PCs, Snapdragon X Elite is designed to support the intelligent and power-intensive tasks of the future that will enable powerful productivity, rich creativity, and immersive entertainment experiences from anywhere. Qualcomm claimed that their processor is faster than the Apple M2 Max and Intel Core i9-13980HX. It achieves the Apple M2 Max's level of maximum peak performance, but its power consumption is 30% lower. Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella and head of Windows Plus devices, Pawan Davuluri, also attended the event. They talked about how the Snapdragon X Elite and the Neural Processing Unit (NPU) will affect the future of Windows. Of course, there was no demonstration or mention of the conditional Windows 12, but we were able to learn what new features are in development for the next version of Windows. Company representatives believe that artificial intelligence will radically change the user interface of operating systems and ways of interaction with applications. Microsoft Copilot is a kind of assistant that will help you reason and create something. With a reasoning engine and a new natural user interface, you can change almost every category of software. Now, a new generation of computers with artificial intelligence is being created. Copilot is like a start button. It is enough to open it to formulate your wish. Copilot will either answer the question or open the desired application. Microsoft also claims that they want to make Windows a system with better capabilities to work with artificial intelligence. In the future, AI will be able to coordinate multiple apps, services, and devices, acting as an assistant that can set and maintain context across all work tasks. Microsoft Copilot will probably be able to learn the user's habits and become a more useful tool. At Snapdragon Summit, Xiaomi has unveiled the Xiaomi 14 Pro flagship smartphone with some pretty impressive features. The smartphone is built on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 single-chip system and runs Xiaomi's HyperOS operating system. The smartphone also features an artificial intelligence editor that can fill in missing details in a photo or remove unnecessary ones. Qualcomm S7 Gen 1 sound platforms. S7 and S7 Pro Gen 1 sound are new cutting-edge technologies from Qualcomm. They deliver 6 times more compute power and almost 100 times the AI power of previous generation platforms. They have been designed to deliver a new premium tier of performance unlike anything listeners have heard before. These platforms deliver an unparalleled level of on-device AI and premium audio technologies, including Qualcomm 4th Generation Active Noise Cancellation (ANC), hearing loss compensation, and personal sound amplification, which work together to deliver personalized and responsive sound experiences. The S7 Pro sound platform is the first to support revolutionary new Qualcomm X-Pan technology, along with micro-power Wi-Fi connectivity to deliver breakthrough audio range and quality. Qualcomm S7 and S7 Pro platforms are distinguished by improved improve performance, expanded memory, optimization for artificial intelligence algorithms, and much more. In particular, the active noise reduction function has improved. It has become adaptive and learned to skip important sounds from the outside world as they are detected. For example, when a person is riding a bicycle and listening to an audiobook, the system will skip the sound of a passing truck at the right volume level so that the user is aware of what's going on around them, but the book is not drowned out. Working in conjunction with ANC and personal sound reinforcement technologies, artificial intelligence on the device allows headphones and headsets to be more responsive to the listener's needs, environment, and preferences throughout the day. Snapdragon Seamless allows devices running different operating systems to detect each other, connect, and interact seamlessly. This can include Android smartphones, Windows PCs, and various gadgets with Snapdragon chips, including headphones, smartwatches, and glasses. Keyboards will be able to work freely with different types of devices. Wireless headphones will be able to switch between sound sources, and there is also the possibility of simplified file sharing between smartphones and PCs. Honor made a big announcement at this year's Snapdragon Summit 2023, announcing that the Magic 6 series will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. The Honor Magic 6 will be also driven by an on-device LLM, large language model, containing 7 billion parameters. Users will be able to use AI to produce videos from photos and videos stored on their devices by issuing commands to the on-device smart voice assistant, Yo-Yo, and all the templates, themes, and music in these videos can be tailored through additional prompts for personalized outcomes. Honor also showcased a multimodal interaction system called Magic Capsule, which utilizes eye tracking technology. This technology enables users to control their phone by changing the direction of their gaze. While Magic Capsule is intriguing, its actual functionality and privacy implications remain uncertain. Additionally, they presented 3 fundamental features of Magic Ring: connected camera, connected input, and multi-device screen sharing. Magic Ring, leveraging the Snapdragon Seamless technology, enables smoother and more power-efficient data exchange between devices, enhancing stability in the process. DaVinci Resolve is a video editing app designed for creative professionals and hobbyists, famous for its various post-production features like color correction. Previously only available on ARM-powered Apple macOS devices, one of the best free video editors, DaVinci Resolve, is coming to more supported devices, including future Windows laptops. The announcement comes as part of the ongoing Qualcomm Snapdragon Summit in Hawaii, alongside jaw-dropping claims made by the CPU manufacturer about the promised performance of its Orion processors over its primary competitors, including Apple and Intel. Dave Liebolt of Blackmagic Design, developers of DaVinci Resolve, took to the stage at the summit to explain their plans for ARM-supported devices, reportedly running the app 1.7x faster than Intel's 12-core CPUs and 3x faster when using an NPU, neural processing unit, in testing. DaVinci Resolve offers a wide range of AI post-processing tools for creative video editors, combining clip editing with high-quality visual effects and various motion graphics tools along with audio editing, allows users to focus on learning a single software product rather than an entire creative package. This is a more attractive prospect compared to Adobe's Creative Suite, where specific post-processing tools are compartmentalized into separate applications, such as Adobe After Effects and Premiere Pro. In conclusion, the Snapdragon Summit has been an incredible showcase of cutting-edge technology and innovation. We've witnessed how Qualcomm continues to push boundaries and shape the way we experience the digital world. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and I can't wait to see what amazing possibilities lie ahead. Remember to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more exciting updates in the world of technology.